happen all the time.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome to another day in my life. It's a lot later in the morning than I would normally like to get up, but I have really bad swimmer's ear. Like, this whole side of my face last night was just pounding. It was really hard for me to fall asleep. I don't think I fell asleep till almost 1 in the morning. So it's about 9:30 right now. I laid in bed for a little bit longer than I normally would. I am warming up the Keurig because I'm going to make myself some matcha. My mom got this organic burst matcha, and I tried it out the other day cold, and it wasn't the best, so now I'm gonna try it hot, see if I like it, and see if it was just the almond milk that I'm using that's making it taste weird. Because I know when I go to Starbucks and get matcha, it tastes fine. It tastes delicious with the almond milk. So it might just be the milk that I'm getting. So now I'm gonna do it with water, use a small little whisk, froth it up, and be good to go. You guys, look how good it looks. I even got the froth. This whisk took me forever to froth it. I need to invest in a bamboo whisk, but it still worked. It still looks delicious. I'm still really excited to drink it. I am, however, gonna let it cool off for a little bit because it literally just got done, and I also need to make my breakfast, which I'm thinking is going to be some egg whites along with a piece of toast. I don't know what I'm gonna put on my toast yet. We don't have much. Ooh, I can put peanut butter on my toast. Yes, we have peanut butter. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Breakfast is served, you guys. I've got some egg whites, just salt and pepper on there, and then our peanut butter toast cut diagonally, and our matcha, which is slowly getting easier to drink. It's getting cooler, and it should be all gone soon. Alrighty, you guys, I just finished eating my breakfast, finished my matcha. I cleaned the kitchen up a little bit, washed my dishes, put the dishes away that were there, wiped the counter. Now I have a question. You see these? This is all I have to put away. Does anyone else's cabinet look like this with all their Tupperware? I have tried so many times. Me, my mom, my sister, we have all tried so many times to figure out a way to fill this cabinet with our baking stuff at the top, our measuring equipment here, and then all our Tupperware. But every time it ends up like this. So if you have any tips, please let us know. We need all the help we can get. It looks like a disaster. I finally got them figured out. They're in the cabinet somehow, some way. My clothes have about 30 minutes on them. So what I'm gonna go do is get ready for the day. Fridays, I am not in the water. I am front desk. So as a front desk person, you greet people walking in, you sign people up, you answer questions if people need the questions answered. So I have to look presentable. I wear a polo, jeans, and I have to fix this. Now, it's only about 10:30 at the moment, so what I'm gonna do is just wash my face, do my hair, but I'm not gonna put on my work clothes because I'm spending the morning with Kenny because this weekend is a super busy weekend for both of us, so I won't see him a lot. So we're gonna spend this morning together and then I'll go ahead and go to work. Okay, you guys, so here is the outfit, my knockoff Birks that my mom got me because I'm poor. My jeans, this flowy, like olive green tank top. I honestly don't know where this is from. I've had this for about 5 years now. I've had it since high school. I think I got it at Ross. I'm not 100% sure. And look at that, it's inside out. So let me go ahead and fix that before we head out. And I just have my name necklace on and yeah, my purse. I'm gonna grab my backpack with all my stuff I need because I do have to get into the water tonight. One of my coworkers is sick, but she only has 2 classes, so I'll be front desk and then cover her classes, and then I'll finish closing up the front desk, which isn't bad. That's actually a really fun shift. I like that. You guys, it's so beautiful outside. Like the sun is just hitting all the trees and all the flowers just right that it's gorgeous. My only problem is it's 98 degrees. It's so pretty, but it's so hot. It's so hot. I wish my goal, my very end goal, like when I'm finally like settled, married, kids, everything, is to live somewhere where it's beautiful, sunshiny, but it's not like so hot outside that you can't enjoy it. Hi, Izzy. Hi, Mamas. Come here. Why don't you love me? Oh, now you love me. Come here. You guys, Kenny's cousin is coming back down from Colorado, and so we have to break down the trampoline.
What?
I said you're breaking down the trampoline for Ashley.
Oh, yeah.
And then she sold the little trampoline and the swing set, so we broke down that too. And it's all gonna get packed up and it's not gonna be here anymore. You have to get inside of it to break it down?
Yes. At least in that portion.
Oh, fair.
Oh. No.
Maybe you'd have to untie it from the bottom and then like pull it off, like a shirt almost. It has been a crazy past couple hours, but I'm now at work. Just wanted a quick update before I end the vlog. We finally got the trampoline taken apart. His cousin showed up, so we just loaded it into their car, and then we went and got something to eat really quick, so I had to go to work, and that's where I am now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Sorry for being such a terrible vlogger and not getting a lot of content, but I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.